Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to check computer specs in Windows 10 quickly and easily so you can see important details about your PC without any extra tools. Step 1. Right-click on this PC, which is usually found on your desktop or inside File Explorer. This option gives you quick access to basic system information and is one of the fastest ways to check your computer details. Step 2. Click on Properties from the menu that appears. This opens the system window where you can see essential specs like your Windows version, processor type, installed RAM, and whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. The Start menu is where you access Windows settings, apps, and system controls. Step 2. Click on Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This section allows you to manage and customize different parts of your Windows system. Step 3. Click on System from the Settings window. This area contains options related to display, sound, power, and overall system information. Step 4. Scroll down and click on About. Here you'll find detailed device specifications including your processor, installed memory, device name, and Windows Edition all in one place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.